My friend Isuru showed me how to make Sri Lankan roti with shredded coconut.
Yeah, it's kind of a flatbread, yeah. We mix scraped coconut with flour and like some water, and we make the dough, and we make it flat, and we cook it on the pan.
He starts by mixing shredded coconut with salt. He says you can't use the dried coconut in the baking aisle. You must use the fresh shredded coconut.
Fresh coconut, they freeze it, and you can like defrost and use it.
Isuru makes roti by feel and tastes along the way.
You have to feel the salt because it's going to be mixed with the flour, so then you don't feel that.
Right. So if you don't taste the salt now, it's going to get lost.
It's going to get lost.
Yeah. Eyeball it.
We sift the flour and the baking soda, but we eyeball the amounts.
I mix first, then put the water.
The texture of the shredded coconut is large pea-sized crumbles. The flour and baking soda is well distributed. And now there's time for another taste test to make sure that it's salty enough. Add as you need. He recommends using hot water for best texture, easy mixing, and best flavor. Now he brings the dough together with more flour and water as needed and just gets that right texture. He wants it smooth and soft, well incorporated, and not sticky. Add a little shot of olive oil to make it nice and smooth and to help brown when in the pan.
I'm a helper. Isuru couldn't do this without me.
Yeah, you actually been big help.
See, I am a big help.
Yes, it's done.
It's soft. Not too sticky. It doesn't stick to your hand. Am I overworking it?
No, it's fine.
Freaking you out?
No.
I can poke it?
Yeah, sure.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
You're gonna make the balls a little bit bigger than that.
Smaller and very small.
Have you made these before? No? Do you want in? Scrub in. You can help. There's the pro, there's me. Mine's not smooth.
Yeah, you can do it like this, and you can get smooth.
Okay. Now he's telling me the secrets.
If you have cracks in the middle like this,
Yeah.
it won't like do the job for you.
No cracks.
Once all the balls are formed, let them rest for 30 minutes under a cloth, and then they're ready to roll out. And Isuru shows how it's done. Lightly floured surface, pat in your hand, and make them nice and round, but not too thin. He makes it look easy, and he makes them nice and round.
My hand at rolling one of these. I mean, how hard could it be? If you want a pear shape, it's not bad.
That's fine.
He says traditionally rolling pins weren't used, but they would pat them either in their hand or using a plate so that you use the plate to spin while you're flattening the dough, just as he's showing me here. He fries them in a dry pan until golden brown on one side, flips it, cooks it some more, and boy, they were perfect for the chicken curry that he also made for us. Yum.